Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open document in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To open a document in Adobe Acrobat, you just have to follow these simple steps depending on your device. One option is if you are using the Adobe Acrobat online, you must just log into your account. And from there is an option here that says Documents. All I'm going to do is click the file that you wanted to open. And if you haven't already, just click the Upload Files, wherein select the file that you wanted to open. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Click and click open. All right, so this is one of the easiest way, and it's uploading right now. And then from here, all I have to do is click the file, and voila, you have already opened the document here in Adobe Acrobat online. And obviously you can do a lot of here. You can edit and you can share it to someone else, copy that link, share it to your client or to the team members that you're working with. Another option that you can do for you to open the document is go to the folder or directory that you wanted to open the document. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Right click on it and click on Open with Adobe Acrobat, and it will be forwarded to the Adobe Acrobat application that is installed in my computer. You see this right here? Okay, and from here, obviously, it's the same process. I can do a lot of things here in my tool. For example, open document, right? So you can do a lot of all these. So I'm going to exit this now. All right. Another option that we could do is, in my case, I have saved the icon on my taskbar. I'm going to click on this to open the Acrobat itself and go to the document. You see? Right here. You can open the document here. You can simply click on create if you want. You see there's just going to be like a new document. You can create a PDF for images, Microsoft files, and more. All right. Select the files, and from here, you're going to be able to open the files with no problem. In this case, I'm going to be opening the file again, and I would be forwarded to the same file viewer here in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have saved your edited file here, just go to the section here that says Save As, and of course, you can simply click on Download. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.